Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different but exciting video for you. I am doing a collaboration with HALALELA Art. If you haven't seen her channel, check it out. She does tons of art videos. If you like marker videos, she has lots of those. She tests out different markers, she does reviews, comparisons. So grab yourself a cup of tea and check out her videos. I honestly would not have as many of you watching if she didn't share my videos, so thank you so much to her. I am going to be colouring in a beautiful line art that she has made for me. Check out her video because I've done my own line art and she will be colouring that. Without revealing too much, I'm going to go for a green theme, but I'm going to do the skin first. So let's get a cracking. God, this line art is so beautiful and I really do not want to mess this up. It's really clean and crisp, and I have printed it slightly faded out because I like to add colouring pencil. I'm really not the neatest person. I often colour outside the lines. I sketch really messy, so I hope I'm going to do justice to this work. I mean, as we were deciding the theme for this picture, it kind of came quite naturally. We were thinking about it for a while. I have seen this sort of idea at some point, but it was really fun. If you check out HALALELA's video where you can see my line art, I don't know about her, but it took me quite a while to figure out how to actually humanize these cakes, but it was a really fun process, and if you have some free time on your hands, I would suggest trying it. It's a really kind of good idea for character design and character building without too much commitment. Oh no, see, I've already messed up. I'm really not neat. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna add colouring pencil after this, so don't have to be too neat. Okay. I don't know what it is about the arm, I keep just going out of the lines. Okay, I think I'm gonna add the second shade. Let's just see what it is. Oh, let me blend it out, I forgot. Oh my god, I literally hold my breath when I do the face shape with the dark colour because that is high prime potential to mess up. Well, for me anyways, I've got a really unsteady hand and I often, my hands often shake, and so when I'm doing detailed work like this, it's a real struggle. Can't resist a good bit of old elbow blush. Yeah. Okay, hair. This is one of those colours where you put it down and it's insanely dark, and then when it dries it turns out to be a different colour. So I'm always a little worried when I put these sorts of markers down because you have to have a lot of faith. And I don't have that much, which is why I always test my colours out on a piece of paper beforehand. Okay, this colour is so dark that I can no longer see the line art. I'm a bit silly, I should have really picked a lighter colour, but here goes nothing. Oh, this bit is so hard to see, I can't make out at all. Oh god, ah, damn it, look what's happened. I knew that was gonna happen. Just so careless. I'm making up this design as I go along. Actually, I'm gonna use the chisel tip because this is a really large area. I find that depending on the colour you have with these markers, with this particular brand, the chisel tip can be really like soft and juicy and act more like a brush tip, but I can't seem to really control it that well. I think that's because my pictures are normally quite small, and this is the first picture that I've actually done that's A4, except for my marionette one ages ago. But I often print it half A4. That's probably why I don't use the chisel tip. Sleeve. Oh no. You know what, I'm gonna own my messiness, and so what if I go outside the lines? No one cares. It's all good. Kind of debating if I should do a white stripe on the sleeve too, or... Oh damn. Guys, you know what? I'm really liking chisel tips now. I don't know why I didn't ever use them before. But, oh, I know why, because I was drawing too small. But I'm really liking them. They're really quite nice. Well, on the colours that I've picked anyways, they've been quite soft and juicy. I'm kind of wondering if this is like the same colour scheme that HALALELA thought of, because I know when I was drawing my character, I had a certain colour scheme in mind, but of course I'm not the one colouring it, so it's interesting to see what different ideas people have when they look at a picture without colour. Oh gosh. Oh god. I'm dying. Oh my god, do you know what happened, right? I had a song stuck in my head, and one thing led to another, and I ended up YouTubing it, and I was like rewatching the opening and ending songs of Digimon, the Japanese version. Oh my god, memories. When I was younger, so about, I don't know, 4, I had such a crush on Tai, the main protagonist. Gosh, good times, man. I really had a crush on him. He's my favourite character, of course. I don't know if anyone, like, maybe this is the wrong audience, but I used to watch quite a lot of anime when I was younger. Let me know if you did, and if you watched Digimon, who was your favourite character? In which series was your favourite? Because the original, I think it's Digimon Adventure. That was my favourite series by far. Let's go over. I'm gonna add some, I don't know if I should add some like lines going down. Yeah, I'll do the sleeves with marker. Oh dear, I'm already regretting it. Gosh, she looks like a watermelon. I'm not sure if you've guessed it or not, but she's meant to be a key lime pie, but I think I've made her into a watermelon instead. I'll do one stripe. Maybe two? Two, let's do two. One looks a bit lonely. Okay, so I really should have realized this from my last video. I mean a few videos back, but one of my markers was dying. And I didn't realize it, but it's this one. I should have really just thrown it away. I don't know why I left it in the bag. Oh dear. I don't think my camera picked up the audio, so I'm just going to add this bit in here. I'm just colouring in the eyes. Didn't really know which colour to go for because I didn't want to pick blue or purple because I didn't feel like it went with the colour scheme. And in the end, I just decided to go for a really nice golden brown colour. Okay, so we are going to add some colouring pencils. I'm using my Arteza ones. It's the only ones I have. But this is going to be the fun part. I'm really excited. That's going well. Oh god, eyelashes are always difficult. The trick is to be fast and have a sharp pencil. Gosh, she's got better eyebrows than me. I'm just going over the outlines with colouring pencil, and I'm just adding the finishing touches, and then the last thing I do is add some white highlights. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I really hope I did this beautiful artwork justice. I felt like I really should have planned out the design of the dress beforehand, but I mean, it's all part of the learning process. Once again, I'm very, very happy and honoured to have been part of this collaboration. If you like this drawing, please check out HALALELA's artwork and her channel, because she's the one who drew this. Check out her videos where you get to see more of her style and her reviews. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!